Once we have finished our posters, it's time to think about exporting the final file and the presentation we're going to give them. On the web, we can find loads of mockups, both free and paid, that will make our work look better. These ones I'm showing you are from the Freepik's free catalog. I leave the links in the attachment sections just in case you want to use them. As we said at the beginning of the course, this is a project whose main target is web and social media. So we'll choose Instagram as the publishing platform for our project, and we're going to prepare a presentation in a square format. For this particular project, I myself have prepared a simple mockup that I'll attach to the course. But before, we're going to export our work. I have my poster number 1 in Illustrator, and since the target format is the web, the easiest way to export it would be to use the option Export for Screens that we can find inside the File Export menu. I'm going to write the name I want for it, and I'm going to remove this because I don't want it to add a suffix to the name, but this is not important. And we'll repeat the same procedure for all the posters. In Photoshop, we'll make the export from File Export As. I'm going to set JPG as the format with 100% quality, and I'll leave the Convert to sRGB box checked, which is the most adequate setting for web. I choose a destination for the file and I click Save. The next thing I'm going to do is to get the mockup to prepare my presentation. As you see, it's a very simple mockup, which consists of 2 solid color layers that we can modify. We could also hide the top layer if we wanted to have just a color. And then there's this other layer in which we have to set our poster. So if we double-click it, the Smart Object opens. And inside the Smart Object, I'll be able to set the poster I just saved. We click Save, and it will be set in our mockup, which will export from the Export As window. We'll do the same for all posters, taking into consideration that we can change the background colors so they fit the poster we're saving.